Virtual Building Studio presents the Overwater Restaurant in a BIM-driven 4D construction simulation. It begins with structural columns and the bridge platform framework, forming the skeleton that carries the building over the tide line. Marine pile foundations are driven into the seabed, anchoring the structure against tidal forces. Beam framing ties the columns together, distributing loads and setting the base for the deck. Deck and floor slabs are cast into place, turning open water into usable built space. Walls rise, curtain wall glazing, and doors are installed, and internal partitions define each space. The structural roof floor is completed, with planters softening the building's skyline. Railings complete the deck and bridge edges, the final layer of safety and design detail. Furniture, lighting, and vegetation now populate the model, bringing the space to life. Inside, furniture and fixtures complete the transformation into a fully functional restaurant. And here it is, the Overwater Restaurant, fully realized. Every angle, every detail brought to life through stunning, photorealistic renders. People move through the space. Boats drift past the deck, and the vision we started with becomes reality engineered, visualized, and delivered by Virtual Building Studio.